The internet is buzzing with news about Elon Musk's 6,789 tiny house finally hitting the market. If successful, this affordable housing option could be more than just a way to reduce costs. It could represent a bold new approach to one of America's most pressing challenges: affordable housing. As property prices rise and wages stagnate, the dream of home ownership is slipping away for many. Musk's plan for these accessible homes proposes a fundamental shift, making home ownership viable for first-time buyers and those facing financial hurdles. If Musk can deliver on his ambitious promises, these tiny homes may soon redefine how millions think about owning a home. So, how did this tiny house come to life, and what exactly does it offer? Let's dive into everything you need to know. 1. What's inside Elon Musk's 6,789 tiny house? Elon Musk has already disrupted the automotive, aerospace, and energy industries with Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity. But now he's setting his sights on one of society's most pressing challenges: affordable housing. Musk envisions a world where housing is not only accessible, but also sustainable, modular, and adaptable to the modern way of life. The idea began with Musk's collaboration with Boxable, a construction technology company known for its modular, foldable homes. These tiny houses are designed to be affordable, eco-friendly, and easy to set up, presenting an exciting alternative for first-time homeowners, renters, and those looking to downsize. And with the base price of $6,789, Musk aims to make home ownership an achievable dream for more people. Elon Musk's 6,789 tiny house brings an innovative and affordable approach to home ownership, targeting those seeking a budget-friendly, sustainable, and adaptable living solution. Developed with Boxable, this 375 square foot home is crafted to deliver maximum functionality within a compact footprint, making it ideal for first-time buyers, downsizers, or eco-conscious renters. Inside, the living area is smartly designed with multifunctional furniture that serves as both seating and storage, effectively optimizing space. Each fixture and furnishing is chosen for both efficiency and comfort, providing a cozy, adaptable setting for modern lifestyles. The kitchen area, though compact, doesn't lack essentials. It features a durable 2-burner induction cooktop, a 3.1 cubic foot energy-efficient mini-fridge, and a stainless steel sink with high-quality finishes. There's ample room for cookware and utensils, cleverly integrated to minimize clutter. Moving to the bathroom, Musk's design offers a surprising level of comfort in a small area. It includes a full-size shower with water-saving fixtures, a compact, eco-friendly toilet, and a sink, all blending efficiency with essential functionality to provide a sense of privacy and comfort typically absent in tiny home designs. Designed with sustainability at its core, this tiny house incorporates high-performance insulation with an R24 rating for walls and R40 in the roof, minimizing heat transfer and reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems. Optional solar panel integration offers renewable energy options, making it feasible to operate the home almost entirely off-grid, minimizing utility costs and reducing carbon footprint. For added individuality, buyers can customize various aspects, such as cabinetry, flooring materials, and finishes, allowing each tiny home to reflect the unique tastes of its owner. Musk's affordable tiny home is more than just a place to live. It represents a bold step toward making sustainable home ownership accessible to millions. What do you think? Would you consider living in a tiny house like this? If yes, comment 1. If no, comment 2. Now let's continue to the next section, learning about how this house works. 2. How does it work? Assembly and installation. One of the most revolutionary aspects of Elon Musk's 6,789 tiny house is its ease of assembly. These homes leverage Boxable's innovative foldable modular technology, which allows for a seamless construction process. Each unit measures approximately 375 square feet when unfolded, and thanks to its design, it can be compactly folded to just 8 feet wide for transportation. This makes it easy to transport by standard truck, dramatically reducing logistics costs and allowing for a simplified delivery process. Once it arrives on site, the home can be expanded and assembled on a prepared foundation within just 24 hours, meaning that homeowners can be ready to move in much faster than with traditional construction methods, which can take several months. In contrast to traditional homes, which can take anywhere from 6 months to over a year to complete, Musk's tiny house can be set up and made livable in less than a day. Furthermore, while average construction costs for a standard home in the US hover around $150 to $250 per square foot, the affordability of this tiny house at just $18.12 per square foot presents a significant economic advantage. The assembly process involves a professional team that connects the house to essential utilities, including a 200-amp electrical service, water supply, and sewage systems. Additionally, the tiny house is designed with a standard 30-amp power outlet for efficient energy use. This rapid assembly, combined with the low labor costs associated with the modular design, significantly contributes to the affordability of Musk's tiny house. By minimizing on-site construction time, labor, and material waste, it ensures that even those on tight budgets can access quality housing without sacrificing comfort or sustainability. Moreover, this modular approach opens the door for various applications, from individual residential units to larger communities of tiny homes. Competing brands like Living Homes and Tiny Heirloom offer prefabricated homes starting at around $50,000, but these often lack the rapid assembly and transportability that Musk's offering provides. Additionally, the growing popularity of tiny home communities reflects a shift in the market towards minimalistic living. Yet Musk's model is poised to disrupt this segment by offering not just affordability, but also speed and convenience. With the rising need for affordable housing solutions, Musk's innovative design not only addresses immediate housing needs, but also promotes a more sustainable and efficient model of living. As communities explore this option, it could lead to a shift in how we think about residential development and urban planning, making it an exciting prospect for future homeowners and investors alike. 3. How affordable is it really? The $6,789 price tag for Elon Musk's tiny house certainly sounds appealing. But what does it actually cover? Here's a detailed breakdown of the costs you might encounter if you choose to purchase this innovative dwelling. Base price: the $6,789 covers the core structure, including the modular frame and essential interior features like a living area, kitchen, and bathroom. However, additional customizations or upgrades could significantly increase this price. For instance, adding solar panels could cost around $4,000 to $8,000, depending on the system size, and upgrading the interior finishes might add another $1,000 to $3,000. These modifications allow buyers to tailor the home to their specific needs while still keeping costs lower than traditional housing. Land costs. It's important to note that the price does not include land, which is a critical consideration. You'll need to own or lease a plot where the home can be installed. Land costs vary significantly across regions. For example, rural land may cost as little as $3,000 to $10,000 per acre, while in urban areas it can skyrocket to $100,000 or more for a small plot. This can quickly add thousands to the overall expense, depending on your location. Utility connections. Connecting to utilities such as water, sewage, and electricity can incur additional charges. On average, these connection costs can range from $1,500 to $5,000, depending on the site's existing infrastructure and local regulations. In some cases, if the property lacks access to utilities, additional costs for trenching and infrastructure upgrades can reach $10,000 or more, making it crucial to evaluate site conditions before purchasing. Delivery and setup. While the tiny house itself is affordable, there are also costs associated with transporting the home to your site and completing the installation. Depending on your location, these costs may range from $500 to $2,500. The total installation time is significantly shorter than traditional homes, often completed in under 24 hours, but the transportation costs can still vary widely based on distance from the factory. Despite these additional costs, Musk's tiny house remains a remarkably affordable alternative to traditional homes, which average around $400,000 in the US for a standard property. With the average monthly mortgage payment for a traditional home exceeding $1,500, the tiny house offers a low-cost, low-maintenance housing solution that could significantly undercut current market prices, especially for first-time homebuyers and those facing financial challenges. Considering these factors, Musk's tiny house not only presents an innovative living solution, but also serves as a potential catalyst for a new wave of affordable housing options. As the demand for accessible living spaces continues to grow, this tiny home could help redefine what it means to own a home in today's economy. While Musk's tiny house concept is revolutionary, several significant hurdles must be addressed to ensure its success in the market. First of all, the zoning laws. Many municipalities enforce strict zoning regulations that dictate the types of housing allowed. Securing permits for tiny homes can be especially challenging in urban areas where regulations are typically more rigid. Without adjustments to these laws, potential homeowners may face obstacles in finding suitable locations for their new residences. Comment below on the area you live in and tell us about the zoning laws there. Second, financing options. Obtaining financing for tiny homes can prove tricky, as most mortgage lenders are structured around conventional home loans. New financing solutions may be necessary to make these tiny homes accessible to a broader audience. This could involve the development of specialized loan products tailored to the unique aspects of tiny home ownership. As Musk continues to push the boundaries of innovation, his tiny house initiative could catalyze significant changes in the housing landscape, providing solutions for those who have historically been sidelined by escalating property prices. This tiny house may very well pave the way for a more inclusive and sustainable future in housing. What are your thoughts? Would you consider living in a $6,789 tiny house? Let us know in the comments below. If you're as excited as we are about the future of